On your Tesla's main touchscreen, select the three-dot menu and select Toy Box. From Toy Box, select Light Show and Schedule Show. Here you'll find two default songs. Carol of the Bells came many years ago, originally with the Model X. Last year's holiday update gave us Auld Lang Syne to usher in the new year. You can adjust the volume with the plus and minus sliders. If you're in a residential neighborhood, you can reduce the volume. You can see the time, it's 11:26 a.m. You can schedule the light show to start at 11:29 a.m. Select Dance Move so that your charge port mirrors windows and trunk moves. Click Confirm, and you can now see the timer. There's 1 minute and 45 seconds before the light show begins. You can use a standard Tesla thumb drive from your glove box. In your main touchscreen, click the car icon and click glove box. You will see your thumb drive in your glove box. Pull it out. And with this thumb drive, you can then use your laptop. I'm using a MacBook Pro, which only has USB-C drives, and this is a USB-A drive. So I've got a USB-C to A connector to connect my thumb drive to my laptop. With your thumb drive connected to your laptop, if you're using a Mac, go to Finder and select this utility. From the app, click on Tesla Drive, click Erase, select FAT format, click Erase again, and when you're done, click Done to continue, open the drive. If you have your light show file, which you can download from several websites online, you just select your light show folder. The folder should only have two files. One instruction files .fseq and one audio file, the .mp3. So we'll copy light show file, Ctrl C, Ctrl V into your thumb drive, and then you can eject your thumb drive. Once the thumb drive is ejected, remove the thumb drive from your computer and plug it in back to your glove box. Over here. Like so. And close the glove box. With the custom light show files in your thumb drive in your glove box, now click the three-dot menu, click on Toy Box, select Light Show, Schedule Show. You'll now see a new option for custom USB light show. It means it's correct. It's 11:45 a.m. now. We're going to select 11:48. Select Dance Moves, select the right volume. We're going to lower the volume or increase the volume. Click Confirm. It's 2.5 minutes before the light show begins. Remember to exit the car. That's your custom light show.